What's fun?
We're not there yet, Robert. But we're getting close. Look at all this pretty water and boats. They're everywhere. Dorothy, I don't think we're in Kansas anymore.
This is my sock.
Here we are on this lovely overcast Sunday afternoon. Right, Heidi?
Yeah, okay.
On our way for a day of sailing. Good times. Wait, so we're supposed to turn that way?
I follow the signs for the restaurant.
We literally had to go all over Portland to get here. We finally made it. We started out in Beaverton and kind of looped around back to downtown and then all the way out towards Jensen Beach. And that is where we are now. Ooh, pretty airplane. I am walking, so that's why the camera is shaking uncontrollably. It's been one crazy adventure today. Hello, Mr. Jogger.
Hello.
Hey, Heidi.
What?
Isn't that the cafe?
Uh-huh.
But we don't go to that cafe?
We go to the parking lot of the cafe.
So I guess over there?
I guess so. Maybe not. Because we can go down the dock. Look for a guy with a captain's hat on. Yes.
Arr.
Right here. It'll be fine. Oh, you go all the way down? Yeah. He's nervous.
Oh. It's okay, Robert.
Hold on to the wheel.
Be very careful.
You're fine, Robert.
I really should watch where I'm going. One false move and boom, I'll be in the water. What? I don't mean now. Didn't mean to frighten poor Robert. I'm sorry. Whoa. I'm moving and not on my own. This is really pretty.
Halfway. That way?
Do you know where you're going, Heidi? What?
No.
Why are we walking down here? Is that down here?
Yeah.
Oh. If you want to, just let me know.
Yeah, it's amazing. It's a well-designed boat.
What? Okay, well, do you want to call again? Okay. Well, I'll be right back.